Hey traders, welcome back. Here we are on the Bitcoin chart and it is daily time frame, and we are still in this triangle for the price, or two trend lines, one from downside, which is this one with two touches on that, and the other one from upside and also two touches on that. If the price can break this trend line to the upside and close a candle up there on daily time frame, just daily time frame, not any other time frames, then we can actually enter buy position, set our stop loss somewhere safe and look for our reward. But also, if the price can break this trend line to the downside on daily time frame and close a candle below that, for second confirmation we should wait for this support to be broken too. Okay, I don't care that we have some supports in the past of the market or not. For me, this support is important. Okay, if the price can break it and close a candle below this on daily time frame, then we can say the trend is bearish and we can actually enter a long-term sell position. On lower time frames like 4-hour time frame, we have this trend line for the price, which the price is breaking it to the downside. If the candle can close like this, I mean the body of the candle can close out of the trend line after something like 24 minutes, then we can enter sell position, set our stop loss above the candle or somewhere safer and look for our risk to reward too. But if this candle can't close itself like this and instead the body of the candle close in the actually trend line, not outside the trend line, then we will extend the trend line like this one and wait for the next candles to break it. But right now we should just wait for this candle to be closed, then decide based on that. On 1-hour time frame, we had this resistance for the price. The price was falling and it made a correction and touched the level and started falling again. Okay, so this is a nice level of resistance. We draw this line. In the future the price reacts to this level, and I told you that if we see the candle, we didn't have any candles here, okay, but you know, this one is a pin bar. This candle, if I can extend it, this red candle is a pin bar, a shadow from upside, and a small candle below that, small body below that, and it is a pin bar candle. So we can risk on that and enter sell position, put our stop loss above the candle and look for our risk to reward too, which the price gives us our reward somewhere here. I didn't enter this position because this is not my time frame. This is 1-hour time frame. I mostly trade in 1 minute and 5 minute time frame. Let's check lower time frames to see what we have, then go to the next part. You know, we have some pin bars from downside, you know, some shadows from downside, but do we have any support here? We may have some supports. You know, the price was going up and touches a level 2 times here. Okay, so this can be a nice level. The price is exactly on this level. As you can see, the price can start going up from here if it can't close itself on 4-hour time frame below this trend line. Okay, so the candles close is really important. If the price can't close on the 4-hour time frame below this trend line, it may start going up from here. Let's check 5-minute time frame too to see what we have. We can actually imagine a trend line like this here too, and with the breakouts to the upside, we can enter buy position and set our stop loss below the candles and get our reward. On 1-minute time frame, the price jumped and actually closed its body, I believe. No, after 1 minute it will close itself. The candle is actually breaking this trend line to the upside. After something like 15 seconds, we can actually enter buy position here, set our stop loss below the candles and look for our reward. And even we can't, you know, you can actually don't care about this trend line on the 4-hour time frame. it has its time frame, go check it there. And for our time frame, check that if the candle is closed below this or not. I did open a position. I will show you in the future in my live trades, but right now it's not the time. That's why I paused the video. So on 1 minute time frame we were checking that. We don't have anything special, you know. We also had some shadows here from downside showing the weakness of the sellers, and the buyers are coming in and the price starts going up from here, exactly here. And also we had this small trend line here too, you know, the reaction of that candle. If I can zoom in that you can see better, you know, we connect this one to this one here, it breaks this trend line and close a candle up there. Then this candle reacts to that trend line, showing that this trend line is correct. Then it starts going up. Okay guys, thanks for watching this part. Let's move to the next part, the education part, and also see the yesterday's positions too. Guys, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel, and also leave me a comment. Tell me your ideas about the future of Bitcoin in the upcoming days, and also leave if you have any questions you can ask me in the comments. This is actually 2nd of May, if you can see that, 2023, and it is 5 minute time frame of Bitcoin. On the first position we have this trend line for the price, which it was like this. At the first look, you connect this one to this one here, and it gives us this shadow. The price tried to break it to the upside and it couldn't, so we extend the trend line and wait for the next candles to break it. This candle breaks it to the upside, so we enter buy position, set our stop loss below the candle, and it gives us a reward of a bit more than 4 somewhere here. On the trade 2, we have this trend line for the price with 1, 2, 3 touches on that, and on the first time it was broken here to the upside, so we can risk on that and enter buy position, set our stop loss below the candle or somewhere safer, and look for our reward 2, which the price gives us our reward somewhere here. And when we see that shadows from upside, showing that the buyers are getting weaker, and actually we have a buy position. Guys, sorry for lots of video pauses today. I was telling you that we had this 2nd position for the price. We had this trend line with 1, 2, 3 touches on that. It was broken here, so we can risk on that and enter buy position, set our stop loss below the candles or somewhere safer, and get our reward 2, which the price gives us our reward somewhere here. And when we see those shadows from upside, okay, it is showing that the buyers are getting weaker, and we have a buy position, which means that we should close our position somewhere here. And we have our risk to reward 2. We can close it with actually we can close it however we like, because we got our reward 2 somewhere here. And on the trade 3 and the last one, we had this nice trend line for the price with 1, 2, 3 touches on that. It was broken here to the downside, so we can risk on that and enter sell position, put our stop loss above the candles, and look for our risk to reward 2, which the price gives us a reward of 4 somewhere here. And the day finishes here, okay, but you know the position actually, the price gives us our reward on the next day, actually today, okay. And yeah, it was all about today's analysis and the education part. Thanks for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and also leave me a comment and tell me your ideas about the future of Bitcoin in the upcoming days by technical side. And if you have any questions, you can ask me in the comments. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.